Where did she find it? She found it.
Yeah, they found it. It was underneath the sink in the sterilization area. Okay. Yeah, this way next time.
But that's only one part.
Do what?
You said there was like 2, 3 more. There's like
Yeah, no, there's 2 more for the other.
She found it too?
Yeah, she found them all. But the other 2, like I said, are for the other or for the.
They would not fit here.
Yeah, it won't fit on this one.
I would have to order another one, just have it stand by just in case.
Order another one as a backup, so you have it here.
Do we have the part number? Oh, right here. Is that what you wrote it on? Cool, thanks. So then you would take off that part. You take off this part. All these with a helix.
Yeah, it's gonna be metric Allen wrenches that you need for this.
Metric.
Yes.
What is this? European or Asian? Not
what
US?
it is anything like in Europe, Asia, and all that stuff. All those areas use metric. Only the United States uses the standard.
This is not U.S.
Huh?
I thought this one was made in USA or made in China.
I don't think it's made in China.
It's a clip. Then you clip on, clip off. Yep. Then there's a ground wire.
And then you got these 2 grounds up top here. Make sure I get the right size one.
Right.
They're fun to get out because the tube head's in the way. Getting them back in is even more fun.
She found it herself, or the
Wendy found it.
The girl.
Yeah, Wendy found it.
I didn't know you were coming today either.
She just called me.
Oh, she just called.
Yeah, like 2 hours ago.
And if you could also get the part number for me too, Corey, before you leave. That thing for the chair.
There's one. It's what you're gonna have to do is find the serial number on the chair, or take a picture of it, the chair itself, and then Chip can actually call.
Oh, okay.
Royal.
You
can get the base number for you.
Yeah, just get whatever McDonald's. Oh, now he wants a videotape, so it's easier for him to see.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah, we never throw anything you give it. You give me, Corey, I used to keep it. Unless you tell me.
Yeah, no, I told him to keep it too. He said he was going to send it back because they're so expensive.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then he ended up just keeping them, so, which was good.
Right. Which one's the old one?
That one.
That's the old one? Okay.
And just line it up, the slot, with that slot inside there.
Mm-hmm.
And
you have to twist it?
Yep, it's just a 1/4 turn twist.
Okay.
And then this goes right through here. Unless it doesn't want to.
Mm-hmm.
You got to make sure to leave some slack.
Okay.
If you don't leave the slack.
Right, I remember it's gonna get twisted and break.
Yeah. Make sure.
Yeah, just do what we have to do because these guys like freaking abusive.
I've seen some people that are just really bad with this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Let's pull that one out. And then the easy part, just put it back together. Of course, you say it's the easy part. It's not. Trying to get these screws back in, not fun. That's why. Now, if they're actually like right here, and you could put them right there, that wouldn't be that big of a deal. But they're on the inside.
All right. Let's see. Sorry, Corey. I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, you know the other side. Just lining this thing up is not fun.
Where does it go?
Right here, you see?
Yeah. I see it. Okay. I see it.
And it's just got to catch. Once you get it caught on the threads, then you can take that Allen wrench off and.
Let me hold this for you. Did that help if I hold it like that? Did that help?
It gets it out of the way.
Yeah, is that better?
Anything helps with these things.
I know. God, that's a pain in the butt. Okay,
Yeah,
I see.
it is. It is.
Oh, I see. You want to line it up.
This
So you have to do both of them lined up to that thing.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to hold it for you. Does that help? I'm going to hold
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna do it.
I lined it up. Okay, so it's lined up in that hole.
Okay. Catch.
That's an Allen wrench.
Yeah, it's symmetric Allen wrenches. Come on, go.
Dr. Contreras wants to know if do we need any more RDAs for Saturdays?
I think we're okay, right? We got, what's her face's back? Jessica's back, right?
You gotta make sure where you have the wire, that's where it's gotta be when you tighten this. Otherwise, when you try to put
You
the
have to,
cover on,
it has to be exactly the same wires? Or does it matter?
it doesn't matter on either side.
Okay.
Whichever one can go where. See how much fun they make this thing.
That's a pain in the ass doing that.
This is what is the most time consuming part of doing this, is these two nuts.
Right. Yeah.
Or screws. Here, let me see this real quick.
Okay. This is like it's just not a lot of working. Okay, so where's the other one? So the other one goes to the other hole, right?
Now we do the other one.
Okay.
Alright, let me stretch my knees.
Sorry, because you're tall, so it's hard for you to see. Okay, I'll put it back in. I can hold it for you again, Corey.
Okay.
Let me hold it.
Here.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have to be down here.
Okay. This one, right?
Yep.
And I'll just hold it. Which does it matter?
Flip over.
Oh yeah.
Just like that.
Okay.
And it's actually going to go on the other one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright. I still have to go down below.
You need an assistant. How can you do this by yourself?
Yeah, sometimes it goes really quick and really easy, and other times, like that last one,
Yeah.
it's a pain in the butt. I mean, you see that one's already on there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can go ahead and let go.
I got it. Corey, hurry up.
Well, no, I need
Oh,
you to
you
let
need
go.
Okay. Okay.
That way I can go like this.
Okay. Oh, you can turn. You know, hold it for you. I think you got it, Corey.
Yeah, so next time this happens, you and your husband play with it.
What were they? It started acting up yesterday, but I wasn't sure because the X-rays didn't come out. I said, I think, and my staff was like, oh, it's the film. I said, no, it's not the film.
No.
I said, it's probably that thing. If he's like, oh, there's something wrong with the the
Yeah.
X-ray film. I said, no, if your X-rays are not coming out, it's probably the damn machine. Like he's like, oh, how do we keep? I'm like, I don't know. Like you guys keep turning the damn machine around.
Yeah, they need to leave it one direction
Right.
and not move it.
Right. How do I do it? Just I put top. I just say hit top. I should put a sticker there to say top.
Yeah, and let's get all this stuff.
Okay, you want me to hold it for you? Okay. There you go, Corey. Oh, and then we have to screw on that thing. Okay.
Yeah, and then you screw it back in.
Okay.
Yeah, let me make sure everything's out of the way. That bent.
Okay.
Figure.
Okay.
When I typed it,
Did
I
you have
bent
it?
it over.
Oh, okay. Is it okay?
That's what you gotta be careful with.
Mm-hmm. It has to be flush.
Yeah, otherwise the cover's not gonna go on.
Yeah, okay. Do we have to take it out and do that one?
So you try to do it again.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Oh, yeah, I'll hold it for you. Okay. Just have to drill.
And these don't have to be tight
Mm-hmm.
when you put them on. It's a lot easier to do.
Mm-hmm.
Just do it by hand.
Mm-hmm. Oh, just get it and then use a.
Yeah, then you
Drill.
just tighten it
Right.
with the other one.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't have to have it super tight at all because you don't want to break the cover.
Right. I don't want to crack it.
Then you're gonna have to get that tape and put the cover back on with the tape like you had before.
Mm-hmm. I think at one point I had a sticker that says top. Like they were supposed to make sure that it stays top. So I have to do that again then.
Yeah, I mean it lasted 2 years. I've seen them only last like 3 months. So
Really?
yeah, doctor is mad.
You know what? It depends on the staff. You know, I'm getting a lot more part timers that helps on Saturdays. So it's
Yeah.
like, I don't know the stuff they do. Like I just found out lots of my X-rays. They bent the X-rays, the film, the sensors.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of like, I need to have a talk. You
Time
can't.
for
These are
sit
not
down.
film.
All right.
This one is a little bit more. Can you do this one, Corey?
Yeah.
It's a little bit- So I don't want that thing to come off. That's pretty good. So we done?
Yep.